Hello, all of you fellow type 1s out there. This is Dr. Jody, and today I'm going to share with you what I have in my fridge. Welcome. If this is the first time you have found me, I've had type 1 for 40 years, and I have been doing Facebook Live since the end of March. This is Facebook Live number 103. I did them Monday through Friday for 20 weeks to be a source of light and inspiration and hope for all of us with type 1 in our new COVID times, to inspire you that you can live a healthy and successful life with type 1. And so I'm so glad you found me, or perhaps you've been following me for a long time. And I tried to do one earlier today. I'm just doing them twice a week now, Mondays and Fridays, Mondays and Wednesdays. And after I reached 100 Facebook Lives, I'm going to cut down to 2 a week, as I'm building my membership program that I will be announcing one of these days when I get it all together for you. It's going to be amazing. And I was at Costco today at 3 o'clock Pacific and 6 o'clock Eastern, which is when I normally always do my Facebook Lives, but there was not enough service in the Costco, as you can imagine. So now that I've unpacked, I thought I'd share with you what I have in my fridge, right? So I've had type 1 for 40 years. I have been snacking as I've been putting away all my food, so I'm a little bit high right now. You guys know that are following me, you know that this is high for me. I like to be closer to below 120 as much as possible. And but yeah, I thought I'd just show you, what do I eat, right? Here we go. Okay, so here we go. I have a very, very full fridge. Now, mind you, if you've been really following me, you know that I've been traveling around the world for quite some time. And this is the first time I just started renting my own place because I've been kind of bopping around. So I went a little crazy at Costco, as we do, because I finally have my own fridge that I have all of the space that's mine. So that's exciting. Okay, so look at, this is very full. I'm obviously not going to show you everything, but I'll start with my favorite beverage of all time. This one is a Kavita drink. This particular flavor, lemon cayenne, is my favorite, lemon cayenne, because it only has 3 carbs in the whole thing. This one is my second favorite, but it does have 10 carbs, so I don't have as many as those. So I'm a very organized person, so you will see this is my protein aisle, right? We've got, these are all my protein options. I have some wild salmon. I have some organic sausages. I have some organic mozzarella. This is my cheese. I love cheese. We've got cheese here, gorgonzola, brie, and Havarti. Of course, we have organic free-range eggs up here, and I brought some fresh fish. Of course, fresh tomatoes are always wonderful. So this is my protein, my cheese and protein area. And now, of course, lots of veggies. I've got 1 thing of arugula, 1 thing of organic greens, some organic celery, lots of carrots. I've got cucumbers, olives and salsa, and then, of course, these are delicious, some of these peppers. I do eat fruit. I have a bunch of apples and oranges, of course avocados, love avocados. And then we've got some more in here. Well, it's stuffed in there, but this drawer is cauliflower and broccoli, green beans, zucchini, yellow squash. And then this drawer over here is yams and limes and lemons. I have more of my favorite drinks over here. These also have carbs in them, but they are just delicious. I love these. I have some nutritional yeast, which is delicious. B12 for you vegans out there. High source of B12. It's kind of cheesy, tasty. I put it on my baked vegetables with a little olive oil. Delicious. And then, of course, we all know what this what this shelf is. All my extra insulin, my rapid and my long acting right there. Right? So I do a smoothie in the morning with no carb almond milk, and then I put some blueberries in it and some collagen and some green tea powder. I do love some good old organic peanut butter on celery, such a good snack. So that's kind of my fridge. Lots of protein, lots of veggies. I do a little fruit. I have chia pudding for breakfast. I have eggs and toast for breakfast. I have lots of salads. And then, of course, I have protein and veggies for dinner. That's pretty much what I eat. Now, I do always have a little bit of dark chocolate with me all the time. My favorite one is Green and Black's organic. It's like 80-90% black, but I can't find it here in Hawaii. So that's my fridge, everybody. What do you think? What do you eat? And yeah, so my A1C has been around 5.2 to 6.2 for the past 10 years. I do eat whole food, low carb most of the time. I've got a lot of great recipes on my website. So if you go to drjodynd.com and click on blog, you'll see my chia pudding, my flax muffin, my portobello mushroom stuffed with salmon. You'll see my eggplant nachos, my zucchini pad thai, so many great recipes. So I'm here to help inspire all of us with type 1s that we can have a healthy and happy life. And you deserve an A1C below 6.5. Okay, there's a lot of kind of lacks, I think, in people's A1Cs going up to 7 and 8 and higher. And I'm here to inspire you to get the education and support you need to get an A1C below 6.5. Okay, I have lots of classes on my website. Mealtime dosing, why carb counting is not enough, is a great place to start. So check out my website for more free resources, free videos, handouts. Definitely sign up for any of my free stuff on my website, so then I'll have your email so we can stay in touch when I finally do a retreat in Hawaii, when I finally launch the membership program. So I'll be back on Wednesday, closer to 3 o'clock Pacific, 6 o'clock Eastern, since that's my normal time. But like I said, due to the Costco Wi-Fi breakdown, I'm doing it a little bit later today. So here's to having a healthy life with type 1. Please check out my website. I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.